Hey.
Loud.
Yeah.
She's always loud.
That's just there's no meat bags soaking up the
Ah.
sounds.
Yeah, that's
Hey.
I bet it there we found.
Out there, I think I sound good. I could come down a little back here. Come down a little in my monitor.
When you melt it, it's not.
Well, but then I can pull back, like that's. I'd rather be hot and be able to control it myself than have to eat the mic, basically.
I'd rather be hot than eat.
Hey,
It just applies for everything.
Probably just turn down monitor one.
Don't
so that's
forget.